Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I am an aspiring candle maker, and that is why I'm so happy I found these EUPNHY CD wicks. They're designed specifically for soy wax, which is the wax that I use for my candles. They come in different sizes. I have a CD8, 10, and 12. And those different sizes determine the size of the container that you're using. So you can look that up on Google to find out which CD wick is best for you. And what's really important about making sure you get a high quality wick is the melt pool. The most frustrating thing with any candle maker, whether you're making them for gifts or doing them for personal reasons or even trying to start a business, it's hard when your candle starts to tunnel, because then it gets to a point where you just can't use it anymore and you waste all of that wax. So with these, as long as you use the right size wick with the container, you get a nice even melt pool. And that's very important because then that allows you to use the candle to the very end, which is something everybody wants. I really recommend having this in your craft area if you're into making candles, whether it's for gifts, for making custom candles personally, or hoping to one day start a business. This is such a great brand to have at your disposal, and that's my point of view.